How to run YouTube ads for your music video, or how to promote your YouTube videos with YouTube ads. If you've been looking for a way to promote your music video for you to be able to get a lot of shares, subscribers, and those who listen to your type of music, then you need to stick with this video and watch it to the end. Let's get into it without further ado. Thank you very much and subscribe. You are going to be using ads.google.com, ads.google.com, and this is actually going to take you to your dashboard. The first thing you want to do right now is you want to click on tools and settings, and you want to go to your billing. You want to go to the section side. Let me open the section side, the billing section side, and you're actually going to see my own billing. The payment settings is actually correct. Okay, now especially if you're in Nigeria, I'm talking to those who are in Nigeria. If you're in another country watching this, if you just keep on watching, do you understand? This video is not only meant for Nigerians. Okay, so if you're in Nigeria and you've not set up your payment method, or anywhere you are in the world, do you understand? You are just playing. That's what they call just the play. You get what I'm saying? You're actually joking, because you can't do anything and get your ads running, do you understand, legitimately on YouTube without your Google ads payment method being working. So if you are finding it hard to pay for Google ads or YouTube ads, and you don't know the correct card for you to be able to use, you can chat me on WhatsApp, or probably get in touch with me with the link in the description box. I'm not going to write anything on the screen, and I'll be able to show this to you. If you're in Nigeria, bro, it won't be for free, do you understand? But me, I'm just being plain. But these are the testimonies of the people I've been able to show. Look at them on the screen. I've been into this for 5 years, these YouTubers, and I've been into digital marketing for 10 years. So let me go back, and the next thing we want to do right now is you're going to click on new campaign. Now on the next page, you're actually going to see different kind of objective. You're going to click on create a campaign without goals guidance. Now once you do that, you're going to click on video, and once you do that, you're going to leave it in get views. Okay, you want to create this ads for your music video to get views, and you want to go down and you're going to click on continue. And once you get to the next page, you can decide to name your ads here. Okay, give it a name, but for this video I'm just going to get straight into the point without further ado, no beating around the bush. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the bid strategy. Leave it in maximum CPV, that is cost per view. You're going to pay per view. Okay, so go down, then in the budget and date, you're going to click on it and click on daily. Okay, then in this daily budget, I want to spend $5. I'm just going to put 5 here. Okay, then in the start and end date, you can click on edit and decide to select a date by which your advert is going to end. Do you understand? You can select it here, but for this I'm just going to click on none. Okay, so until I pause it. So I'm going to go to the network side. I'm going to click on the network, and I want to tick off these video partners on Google Display Network. I don't want my advert to show on blogs or apps. We want it to show on YouTube. Besides, that's a waste of time. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, you want to go to the location side. For this location, I'm just going to leave it in Nigeria. If you want to enter more location, I'm just going to click on enter location, enter another location, and input United States, whatever location you want to do. Just target them and you'll be able to select them. Do you understand? So let me go to the language side. You're going to leave it in English. If your music is in another language, you can just type it in here. Maybe it's in French, just search French, and you can target it here. Do you understand now? Just for you to be able to understand that. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on related video here. Probably if you want to promote one or more videos with it, just put it here, but I'm just going to skip that for this video. I'm going to leave that for another video. If you want me to be able to teach you how to promote 3 videos with just 1 campaigns, okay, this is the place you can do it. So you can drop your comment in the comment section for me to be able to expatiate about that. So let's click on additional settings, and the next thing you want to click on is devices. Listen to me very carefully. If you make a mistake here, your campaign is going to go wrong. So you click on set specific targeting for devices. Then you are going to go down and you're going to tick off the computer. If you want to leave computer, fine, do you understand? But I believe mobile phone users are those who can actually download it on their phone, and the best place for you to be able to listen to music more, if you like it, is on your mobile phone. So I'm going to tick off computer, I'm going to tick off tablet, I'm going to tick off TV screens. Probably you can leave TV screens if you just want them to listen to it on their home theater, on their television. But if you want them to subscribe to your channel and be able to share your channel, then you should leave it in only mobile phones. And I'm just going to leave that like that. And the next thing I want to do right now is actually scroll down. Now when I get down, then in the demographics, you're going to see any age. You want to pay very big attention to this place, because the demographics of those who listen to your music, you should know by your music. Do you understand? You know the people who are supposed to listen to your music by their age, by your music. Do you understand now? So most of all, for this gender, just leave it in male, female, unknown. Okay. And for the age, those who listen to all this hip-hop music, and you get what I'm saying, so they are between the age of 18 to 34. So I'm just going to tick off this 35, tick off 45 to 54, tick off 55 to 64, tick off 65, tick off unknown. Like I said, it depends on you. You can leave the parental status like this, do you understand? Or tick this parent off. Maybe you don't want them to be a parent or whatever. You just know. You can contact me through the description box below. I'll give you a correct targeting. It's not for free, do you understand, for your music, and you can be able to get in front of people who you are trying to promote your video for, and those people will be able to engage. Because if you don't target the right people, you are actually going to miss it with your ads. You are going to waste a lot of money. And for this video, I'm just making an example for you, because I don't know the type of genre of music you are trying to promote. Trying to follow the targeting I'm doing in this video, you might target the wrong audience. I'm just trying to let you know. So let me just scroll down right now, and I'll go to the keyword section. Do you understand? Now I'm in Nigeria, okay, and let me click on keywords. Now this keyword section will allow you to target videos or channels that contains the keyword of the artist or the type of music you are trying to target. Do you understand? So in Nigeria, let's say you are an hip-hop artist. I'm an hip-hop artist trying to promote this YouTube ads. I could just click on this place and enter Davido. Okay, if I click on Davido, this can actually show up in the channel of Davido and every videos that contain Davido, because anybody who wants to watch a video that is related to Davido actually love Davido's music, or they are actually listening to Davido's interview on music, or they are on Davido's channel by themselves. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on, I'm just going to enter the enter button. I can input let me just input Wizkid. Okay, when I type in Wizkid, you can see the impression here is expanding and being targeted. Do you understand? So this will also show on every videos with Wizkid. You can just experimentize, input the name of the artist in your country, and you can be able to target those who are singing just like you. Okay, just target the artists that sing the type of your song, so you can be able to target people who listen to them. Okay, so I'm just going to close this tab. You can experimentize with it. Then I'm going to go to the create your video ads. So in this box where you see search for a video or paste the URL from YouTube, you're just going to go to your YouTube channel and you're going to copy that video. It's my actual second channel. I have a main channel which is more bigger than this. I'm just going to do is, let's say for instance, this is the video I want to promote as a music. I'm just saying it on my YouTube, on my music YouTube channel. This is my music YouTube channel. So I'm just going to click on share, and I'm going to click on copy the link, and I'm going to go back to that place and paste this video as my music video there, and boom, it's actually going to show in this place. Now what type of advert do we want to create? Listing, you don't want to click on skippable in-stream ads. If you click on skippable in-stream ads, these are types of ad that shows in between or at the end or in the middle or at the beginning of that YouTube video you used to watch on YouTube. Do you understand? So I don't want this. I want it to show just like a normal YouTube video that is being suggested among the other musicians, big musicians that we are trying to target there. Do you understand now? So I'm just going to click on in-feed video ad. Okay, this is going to work just like suggestion and browse feature. So once we do that, then in the headline you're just going to, let's say the music video title is just like feel me babe, just to, you get what I'm saying. So in the description you could just say listening to this beautiful music by maybe my name Ayo or whatever name. Okay, let me just shorten this. Above 35, listening to this beautiful music. Let's just leave it like this, and in the description too you're going to input by Ayo. That's just my own name. Do you understand? Whatever you want to do, just experimentize, and you're going to see the description of your YouTube, music video ad. Let's say this is it. Do you understand? You can see the feel me whatever like this. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to go down, and in the bid you're going to see you can improve your campaign's potential, whatever the bid. Just click on apply. Okay, this is $0.03. That is the amount you are going to be paying for every views you get. That is per views. Okay, 0.03 cent. Okay, so you're going to see the amount of views you can potentially get, which is 1.4k to 3.6k or whatever. And the next thing you want to do right now is you want to click on create campaign. So once you click on create campaign, let's see if it's going to be submitted successfully. You're going to see congratulations, your campaign is ready, and you're going to click on continue to campaign, and boom, your music video ads is created and ready to blow up your channel, ready to be listened by many people, ready to be, you get what I'm saying? So don't do this thing, please. If you need any help or me promoting your YouTube video for you personally, you can contact me through the link in the description box, or check other videos. You see my number there. Get to me. You need to be able to pay for YouTubers, and I will see you on the next video. If you like this video, drop your comment. Bye.